Detox and cleansing have become very popular. People are trying to feel healthier and more energetic. Celebrities and influencers often share their detox routines. From social media to health blogs, everyone has an opinion. But why is detoxing so trendy? Many believe it's the secret to weight loss and glowing skin. Others think it helps remove toxins. The idea of a fresh start is appealing. Detoxing sounds like a magical solution. However, it's essential to look at the facts. Detox and cleansing are more than just buzzwords. They have roots in ancient practices but have evolved. To understand if detoxing is right for you, look beyond the hype. With the right information, you can make smart choices. Let's dive into what detox and cleansing really mean. Detox and cleansing are often used interchangeably, but they are not the same. Detoxing removes toxins from the body. Toxins come from food, drink, or the environment. Cleansing cleans out the digestive system. Detoxing supports the body's natural processes. The liver, kidneys, and skin remove toxins. Detoxing can help these organs perform better. This can involve dietary changes, supplements, or special drinks. Cleansing focuses on the digestive tract. It may involve fasting, fiber supplements, or herbal teas. The goal is to remove waste and improve digestion. Some people also do colon cleanses to clear out the large intestine. Both detox and cleansing have their place in a healthy lifestyle. But it's important to know the difference. This knowledge can help you choose the right approach for your needs. There are many myths about detox and cleansing. One common myth is that detoxing can undo years of bad habits. Another myth is that detoxing is a quick fix for weight loss. Healthy weight loss takes time and requires a balanced diet and exercise. Detox products are not necessary for cleansing. Our bodies are very good at detoxing on their own. They can even be harmful if not used correctly. Section 4. The real benefits of detox and cleansing. Despite the myths, detoxing and cleansing do have real benefits. Science supports some of these benefits. For starters, detoxing can give your liver a break. By eating cleaner foods, you reduce the workload on your liver. This helps it function better. Cleansing can improve digestion. A high-fiber diet can help move waste through your digestive system. This reduces bloating and improves nutrient absorption. Some people find they have more energy and clearer skin after a cleanse. Detoxing can also help you reset your eating habits. By focusing on whole foods, you might break your addiction to sugar and processed foods. This can lead to long-term healthy eating habits. Another benefit is mental clarity. Some people report better focus and mood after detoxing. This might be due to the reduction in sugar and caffeine. When you eat cleaner, your brain can perform better. Section 5. Comparing different detox methods. There are many ways to detox. Juice cleanses are very popular. They involve drinking only fruit and vegetable juices for a set number of days. This can flood your body with vitamins but may lack protein and fiber. Fasting is another method. It involves not eating for a period, usually 12 to 24 hours. This gives your digestive system a break. However, it's not suitable for everyone. People with certain medical conditions should avoid fasting. Herbal cleanses use teas and supplements to help remove toxins. These can be gentle but can also interact with medications. Always check with a healthcare provider before starting an herbal cleanse. Diet-based detoxes focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods. This might include lots of fruits, vegetables, and water. These are usually safer and can be done long-term. They support your body's natural detox processes without extreme measures. Section 6. Practical examples and tips for safe detox practices. If you want to try detoxing, start simple. Drink more water. Water helps flush out toxins naturally. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Add more fruits and vegetables to your diet. These foods are rich in vitamins and fiber. They support your liver and digestive system. Avoid processed foods and sugar. These can add to the toxin load in your body. Stick to whole, natural foods. Try a short detox period. 3 to 5 days is a good start. This can be enough to see benefits without stressing your body. Listen to your body. If you feel unwell, stop and consult a healthcare provider. Section 7. Conclusion: emphasizing moderation and professional guidance. Detoxing and cleansing can be beneficial, but should be done carefully. It's not a magic fix for health problems. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any detox program. They can help you choose the best method for your needs. Moderation is key. Extreme detoxes can do more harm than good. Focus on making small, sustainable changes. A balanced diet and regular exercise are the foundations of good health. Incorporate detox practices into your lifestyle in a balanced way. This will help you feel amazing without risking your health. Remember, your body is already a great detox machine. Support it with healthy choices and it will take care of the rest.